What's up, YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. I know. Give me a little break, you guys. I know it's been a little minute, man. But listen, hear me out. So, I know you guys all been wondering why I've been gone. You guys been wondering, where's Mendez? He's not posting anymore. He's not active. Now, to tell you guys the honest truth, right? The reason why I haven't been as active on YouTube and stuff like that is because I've been getting demonetized, you guys. Like, every past video I've uploaded and all my old videos have all been demonetized. Now, I wasn't making a lot. I'm not making a lot from YouTube, but that's kind of like a motivation factor for me, is being able to see the algorithm, the money scaling and me earning more from this video and stuff like that. So I kind of just been slacking a little bit because all my videos are just demonetized. I'm not getting anything from YouTube anymore because I was using instrumentals and I was using beats and stuff like that. Even if I use copyright stuff, it just got copyrighted. So I'm kind of stressed about that. But now I'm gonna just go back to what I enjoy doing and just simply documenting. I'm gonna just record my days. From now on, I'm gonna just record my days, kind of like a day in the life type videos. If you don't hear any beats and stuff like that, it's because I'm trying to collect that coin. But for the most part, I'm trying to, slowly work my way back into YouTube and stuff like that because I have a lot going on now. I don't have any employees working for me anymore. I'm running solo. I am a one-man show again, and that is by choice. This winter time, it's, pretty rough. It's been really cold already, and it's only December. What's today's date? Today is the 12th. Today's December 12th, and it's actually like 27 degrees outside right now. It's 8:30 in the morning. So I won't be able to go out to work this morning. I'm gonna just hold off a little bit, and then if I do go out, then I'll take you guys along with me throughout the day, and you guys will join me on my detail for the day. Now, I wanted to quickly just go ahead and just talk to you guys real quick because I'm in a new spot right now. I have kind of like my own room here with the office, and my girl's office space is right behind us. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about change and adapting and just getting newer stuff and stuff like that, and how it's motivating to me and how much it inspires me to continue to go forward and to continue to grow. Now, this new setup right here is pretty inspiring to me because I was basically in a one-bedroom before here, and we were kind of working right next to the kitchen, and the kitchen was the dining table right next to the dining. So I was in a dining room, and the kitchen was literally right next to me, and I just could never focus. I could never lock in, and it was just I needed to separate myself. Now I have a door right over there. Got my tripods, so I'm not playing, you guys. I'm really trying to get back into it. But now I have my tripods and stuff, and I just wanted to quickly say, if you ever feel like you're stuck, or if you ever feel like you don't have the same drive, have the same motivation anymore, switch up your environment. Switch things up, whether that's decorating your room or your office in a different manner, or whether that's getting something new. Even for me, when I detail out the van and stuff like that, I like to add new tools, new equipment, because that motivates me and lets me know, hey, you're evolving, you're getting better, you're doing better things. And I think that's where the spark is at. You know what I'm saying? I think that's where the spark is at. It's where we get that extra push to keep moving forward, even though it's small, something very small, like getting a new tornado gun. You know what I'm saying? Little stuff like that could take you a long way. You'll have more confidence in yourself. You'll be okay, I'm actually making progress. I know right now a lot of people, are starting their detailing business and stuff like that. And it could kind of be unmotivating, dismotivating when you're not getting as much results and you're not really seeing too much progress. But I promise you, once you start seeing a little bit of it, you're just gonna become a little bit addicted to it, if that makes sense, in a good way. But now I just wanted to quickly just, talk about that because I know how important it is to me, and I don't know if you guys can also relate. But this is probably gonna be my welcome back video to YouTube. Like I said, I'm gonna try to shoot like this. I'm gonna try to get a mic so I can clip on my shirt, record a little bit away from the camera and stuff like that. But I have a lot of ideas. I promise you guys, I have a lot of ideas. It's a lot of videos on YouTube now, a lot of detailers just detailing and how to wash a car, it's just, you can only teach that so many times. So I have a lot of ideas that I'm not gonna share because I don't want people to steal my ideas. But yeah, we're gonna make some good progress 2024. I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are excited as me. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate your guys' support, your love, all of the messages, all of the DMs, or asking me where I'm at, how I've been, how's business. You know, there's a lot of detailers out there that I do reach out through my Instagram at Mendez Auto Detail. So if you want to reach out to me, you could reach me at Mendez Auto Detail on IG. I respond to everybody and I talk to everybody through there. So I appreciate all of the guys and girls that have reached out to me through my personal page and stuff like that. Brian, since you're not going out, what are you actually doing today? So right now I am actually just kind of working on some clients and communication stuff. Now this is right here, just my Google SEO and stuff like that. This is a website that I use. It's called Uber Suggest. You guys can see it right up there. That is the website that I use to be able to locate my rankings and how well I'm doing and stuff like that. So if you guys can see, Richmond Car Detailing, position 3rd, went up 4. You get the gist of it a little bit. It kind of shows you everything. I don't want to go over everything with you guys because this is kind of like, you know what I'm saying, personal. But this is the website here, Uber Suggest. Make sure you guys check it out. And this is my actual website here. So what I do on my, I guess, off days are basically work on improvements, because when you're out there, it's a lot of stuff that you're gonna, come across or you're gonna encounter. One thing right now that I'm kind of, trying to figure out is how can I automate my reviews? How can I automate sending emails and stuff like that to clients after the detail, maybe like an hour, 2 hours, maybe a day or two after. And again, it's something I'm gonna have to figure out. But for the time being, I have a simple concept, and I'm gonna create emails, and I'm gonna automate those emails to be sent out every time I'm done with a detail, so that clients are able to leave a review. And I'm gonna follow up with an incentive because they left a review, to give them a coupon, a discount, or some type of way, because I want 1,000 5-star reviews on Google. That is my goal for 2024. That is my goal for 2024, is to get 1,000 Google reviews. Now, it might seem like, damn, that's crazy, but I promise you I can do it. Like 1,000, people, I already have like 180. I'm almost at 200, so I'm almost there. I just need 800 more. We could easily do that in like 12 months. 100 a month is definitely doable. In my opinion, you know what I'm saying, as far as I am, in my business and stuff like that. It might not be to you, but just, don't try to compare. Don't try to, downplay yourself because you're comparing yourself to somebody else. You can definitely set your own goals, realistic goals, and make them happen. But for me in my business, I want Mendez to have 1,000 reviews by the end of 2024. And one thing that I said for this channel was to get it to 10,000 by 2024. We were almost there. It seems like the year is coming to an end soon. It's December 12th, so we don't have too much time in the year. And I haven't been consistently uploading videos for you guys, so I can't even be mad at myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's on me. It's not on you guys. It's on me. I didn't put in the work. So, hey, we came up a little short, but hey, it's good to aim high and come up short than it is to, if I would have said 5,000, I would have been hit that goal. So it's better to aim high, and if we get there a little short, then it's okay. 8,000 is definitely a big improvement from starting at 0. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on some of this stuff here. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and create this email to create the automation to get reviews. So since you guys tuned into the video, and if you watched this far, I'm gonna give you a free gem right now. And I use Wix. So I use Wix to run everything. I accept payments. My calendar is here, all my payments, invoices, like everything is ran through Wix. So right here, we're gonna go to automations down here, and this is how we're gonna create our emails. So I have a few already that I've been working on, but we're gonna go ahead and create a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and click new automation, and I'm gonna go ahead and click start from scratch. Now this is a free tutorial, free little quick 1-minute tutorial showing you guys how it's done when you want to automate stuff using the Wix website and stuff like that. You could use MailChimp, you could use a lot of different softwares, but I like to integrate and have everything under one platform just because it makes it easier for me. And that's what it's all about, right? So right here we have select an app to see its triggers. So right here, we're going to go ahead and look at what we want to happen after they do something, right? So in this case, we want to create a review link. So let's go ahead and click invoices, because once they're paid with their invoice, I want to go ahead and send them the link to review. So we have invoice paid right there, and this is all ran through Wix. Like I said, once their invoice is paid, we are going to send them an email. We can send a coupon, we can assign a badge, we can do a lot of different stuff right here. So we're gonna do send an email, right? Because we want them to like click a link, send them to a review link, and if they leave a review or when they leave a review, we can go ahead and send them a coupon to say thank you. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you for leaving a review. So once we click that, it's super simple. We now type up our email. I'm gonna go ahead and type it up, design it and stuff like that. And then I'll go ahead and update you guys on the progress. But so far, it's pretty simple. I love using Wix because it's super simple and it's all integrated. So invoices are paid through here. So now I can set up this segment to where it's automated to send them an email as soon as their invoices is paid. So I'm gonna go over it one more time. We're gonna click automation over here on the left-hand side, and then we're gonna click on invoices, and then we're gonna click on invoice paid, because once the invoice is paid, we want to go ahead and send them an email. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the email, and I'll update you guys once we're there. All right, so I went ahead and typed up this email really fast. Now, it's important because I see a lot of people struggle with this, and I don't know why, but it is a very important thing to talk about. And it's, if you set something up, or if you do something as far as like pricing, what it includes, or if you type up an email and you do all this stuff, don't think that that's set in stone. Like this email that I wrote right here, I'm probably gonna adjust and update at least a thousand times, simply because this is like it's like a test. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to test things. Maybe I should put this there. Maybe I should put this here. You know, so don't ever think that you're going to get it the first round. Just make sure that you know we're going to improve this email or pricing, whatever it is that you're working on. We're going to improve this over time. So right now, I don't want to waste 6 hours typing this up, and then I'm not able to do nothing else because I'm so focused on getting this perfect. That goes also with your work on the website and stuff like that. You can always go back and change things. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the email real quick. And I typed this up in like 5 minutes. So it's nothing like perfect or fancy or anything like that, but this is what we have so far. Didn't do anything special and avoid my crack right there on the screen, but we didn't do anything special here. All we did was just type up stuff and added a picture, and then we added a button down here so they can leave a review. So as you guys saw on the previous slide, we went ahead and clicked on edit. Once we have edit, we can now edit our subject line, which is right here. This is what they're gonna see like on top of their email, and it's gonna say leave a review. I might change this also, but for now we're gonna leave it like that. And then we're gonna show the preview text down here. It's gonna say, thank you for choosing us for your detailing needs. Leave us a review, blah, 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 right? So it's very, you know, exact. If they see this email, they know what it is. They're gonna click it. They're gonna click the links and hopefully leave a review. So once they click that, we have the email that opens up to the client, right? So we have leave a review as the title. I might change it. I don't know how we're feeling, but we're gonna leave it like that. We have, thank you for choosing us for your detailing needs. Feedback is what fuels our business, and your experience matters to us and our future clients. Leave us an amazing review on Google to help fuel our business while also helping the Richmond community. Now, super simple. I didn't add anything yet as far as like discounts and stuff like that. I want to test it without offering it. And if it doesn't work, then I'm going to go ahead and offer like 5% off, 10% off, and go from there and kind of see what works. But like I said, we have to test things out to be able to like make adjustments as we go. So right now we have the text, picture, and then simple. Leave a review right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I get my link to leave a review, and then we're just gonna post it, test it out, and this should be done. So this took about like less than 10 minutes because I'm recording, it's taking me longer, but we're gonna go ahead and find this link right here, and we're gonna find that in our Google My Business, which I'll show you guys here in a second. So now we are in Google My Business. Now it's important to note that you must have a Google My Business to be able to get reviews on your listing. So we're gonna click right here. We're gonna click on read reviews. We're gonna click there, and we're also gonna see the amount of reviews and stuff like that we got going on. We're gonna click here, get more reviews, and it's gonna give us a link. So now we have the link here. We're gonna go ahead and copy that. We're gonna copy that email, and we're just gonna go ahead and click on the button over here, and it says regular email, so we're gonna leave it there. And now we're just simply going to post the new email that, well, not the email, the link that we just got from here to here. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We're gonna copy, paste it here, and now we have it inserted to this button down there. So now we're gonna go ahead and click preview and test. And I'm gonna test this email out, and then we'll show you guys how it looks in our inbox once it is delivered. So now we have the email right there in our inbox, and as you guys can see, this is what we typed up. So leave a review. Thank you for choosing us for your detailing needs. Leave a review. Boom. So now we're gonna go ahead and click here, and this is the actual email that we get. So now we see the email. It looks just like it looked over here. And now we're gonna see if the button works. So leave a review, and we're now gonna click leave a review, and let's see what happens. Boom, we show up right there, and now they're able to leave a wonderful 5-star review. Look at that, super easy. Automation is key. I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, make a few changes if I have to, but for the time being, for this video, we're just gonna leave it at that. And you guys just kind of saw behind the scenes on how to automate emails, and that's just one way to do stuff, right? So hopefully that brings you guys a little bit of value. I know it's gonna be a little bit of like, what? It's gonna be a lot of questions for sure, but if you have any comment down below, I wanna help you guys out as much as I can. I do appreciate you guys for everything, all the love, all the support. Like I said earlier in the video, we're gonna end the video here. I feel like I got a lot of value into this, and I feel like you guys should slow it down, rewatch it, see what I'm saying, and fully understand things. I'm not saying you should use Wix or anything like that. It's just what I prefer to use. But if you have a software or something that makes you more efficient, then definitely use that. But I would recommend automating stuff as far as like client follow-ups or setting up stuff, because you're only if you are by yourself, you're only one person, and I can't reach out to everyone individually texting them, hey, can you leave a review? I might as well just automate it, so once their invoice is paid, now boom, it's automatically sent. Boom, leave a review. Thank you for your services. You know what I'm saying? Like stuff like that. So hopefully this video, I can't even talk. This is what happens when I'm like on a coffee rush. I had some good coffee this morning, and I'm just like, you know what I'm saying, jittery and go. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I really do appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really hope this video brought you guys some type of value. Again, I know it's different, but that's what I want from my channel. I want to teach you guys more than just detailing, because detailing videos are all over the place, but I don't feel like there's a lot of information, business videos. And this is the boring stuff. This is what people just skip through, but this is very important if you want to be an entrepreneur. If you want to really grow your business and become a entrepreneur, you have to set automations. You have to make things easier for you and yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. And thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.